paper 2, it was like this. I believe all of us will still have the paper, and then we can go through the question. I'm going to go direct to the tasks. So we have been given the support files. The support file is this, the Excel, the table, or we were given a table, we are given a reminder letter. So the other thing, we are given the task. The first task was saying create an electronic storage of the records and use it to produce a graphical representation of members' savings. So literally what they want us to do to make it electronic. The electronic storage, we are going to be utilizing electronic spreadsheet. The electronic spreadsheet, the one that we're going to be utilizing at the moment, it's going to be Excel. So I'm going to open one of your friends' work, and then just because then we have to go on typing all this, so and so, the membership number, we have the total saving, the loan amount, and then the amount paid. So the total saving, it has this. So let me open this. I'm going to split my screen for right now a bit, and then we can easily see. So we have our number one, who is the name. So we had to put here on top, we ought to put the name of the saving group. The name of the saving group is called Sente Kumeza Fund. So I'm just going to copy this, Sente Kumeza. I come here on my Excel. Let me try and maximize a bit. I come on my Excel here on top. Never mind, here. I come on my Excel. I'm maximizing so that we can all see very well. Okay, here now, before I put everything, the membership number, the name, the total saving, the loan, the amount paid, and then the loan balance, we ought to insert there a new row. So I'm going to insert there a new row, insert. Then here in this new row, I'm going to merge and center all this, and then I paste there my word. Okay, it is failing to paste, but it's called Sente Kumeza. Sente, let me make it bold. Sente Kumeza Fund, if that is it. Let me see. Sente Kumeza Fund. Okay, now after putting Sente Kumeza Fund, therefore I ought to put the number. The number doesn't literally need you to put the 0, 1, even if you just make it as 1, 2, 3 continuously. I'm just going to change this. I make it as 1, 2, 3. Therefore, after doing this now, literally why we are having this, because it is in text. So we are going to change it back to journal. Okay. So we are just going to change it back to journal, and then that this has to disappear. Or let's put it in number. Okay. Alright. Let's proceed a bit. Now we have put in the details. After inputting in all the details, the person's number, the saving, the saving. Here we have what? The total saving. After the total saving, we have the loan amount, and then the balance, the amount paid. We have the number, total saving. Total saving, you're going to put it there as here as it was stipulated. This one you can just type it there. The total saving, the loan amount, and then the amount paid. So you had to put it there. So you are told here in the question, create an electronic storage of the records and use it to produce a graphical representation of members' saving. So the members' saving, we have to be knowing what has everyone saved and how have they been doing, and what is their balance actually. So after doing all that, we are going also to create a graphical representation. A graphical representation, literally, we are going to be creating a chart. So as we can see, this you type it, you type it, you can type it. Now when we come to the term of the loan balance, the loan balance, you don't type it, you don't calculate it. We are going to use a formula in finding it out. So we are going to come here. Now, just as we see our friend did here, when I click here, that it's going to show me what he did. This is his saving, this is the loan, this is the paid money. So what is the balance is having on the loan? Are we at par? So the balance he has at loan, we get this, we subtract, or we get the total loan, and then we subtract the amount paid. So the amount paid, it is going to give us the exactly amount of loan that is remaining with. Let's do it here. Okay. Let me delete all this. Okay. All right. So we are going to say equals now the total the total loan, and then we subtract the amount that he paid, which is minus the amount paid. Now this is the balance, the one that we are seeing here, the 200,000. This is the loan. So on 1 million, the loan that he took, he paid over 800. So the balance was it was 200,000. So we go to the second person. The second person, we are going also to use the same criteria, but before we reach there, let's look onto the second person. Here, number 2, he has the name, the total, no loan. So some people, they are going to be having with no loan, they have no loan balance, so it's going to be remaining blank. So literally, you can put there 0, you can just calculate it, and then you let it be. So here, even if there is nothing here, so you get these people, I believe they have no loan at all. Even if there is nothing there, it is going to still remain there, to remain okay. Or even if it has a 0, it doesn't matter, because literally nothing you're going to be equating. Okay. Let me come here and here as well. Now this is the way how our table is looking. Now I'm not going to waste a lot of other time. I'm just going to double click on this, and then it gives me the details or the answer. Now we are seeing that Nalukenge here, number 12, participant number 12. We have participant number 12 here. Yes, Madame Nalukenge. In her, she's number 12. Total saving, it is 756,000. Now she took a loan of 1M. The amount paid, this is the amount that she paid. She paid 1M and 50,000. So the balance here in loan, she's demanding them. Are we at par? She's demanding them 50,000. So literally, what you can as well just do, you can easily highlight this, because remember we are dealing with money. So you come here, you put in the comma. When you put in the comma, it is going to indicate the comma where they ought to be. So, and then we decrease the decimals. So as you can see now, the negative has been turned into bracket. In a nutshell, it is a debt. This is what they wanted, because it is money. Are we at par? So it is money. We are going to put them, and then we add a comma. So when we add a comma, it is going to put there this one, which is in negative. It this is what they were looking for. They need it to show that it is in the bracket. The moment you put it yourself there, they are going to see it from here, as we can all witness. So, in a nutshell, this is the first part on this number. But the main thing on this number, which was being asked from us, is to create a representation or a graphic representation. As we can say, create an electronic storage. Now, it is electronic storage, so we are going to save it. So all of us, I believe, we know how to save electronic storage of the records and use it to produce a graphic representation of members saving. So now, members saving, what we are going to be doing, we are going to get the entire data, and then we create from it a saving chart. Now, let us first take a glance onto what our friend did. Now, our friend here, we have up to 7 million. Oh, okay. Now, our friend here did a chart. This chart, we have the total savings, the loan amount, and then the amount paid. So, here, what we are going to be doing, we are going to find the total as well for all the savings scheme or in their fund. How much do they have in the box, and which dates have they been given out, or which amount of loans have they given out. So we are going to find out as well if the dates are being cleared. Like here, if the dates are being cleared, what amount do they have in the saving. So what we are going to do, we are going to come here, and then we say equals sum. Okay, we open our bracket. So we are finding the total savings. The total savings, we close here. Then here, let us call this total savings. So as we can see now, our total savings is given. Now here, the total amount of loan. Are we at par? Now the total amount of loan given, we can as well find it. Well, in a nutshell, what we can easily do, we can just get here and then we drag, and then we get to know the total amount of loan being given, the money that went out. Or what we can as well do, we can just delete that and then say total loan amount. So total loan amount we can determine and then say, so I'm not going to do anything else, I'm just going to copy this. Okay, let me just copy this here, sorry, copy, paste it here. Okay, this is what we are going to be doing. We can do the same thing here so that it is on the same line. Equals sum, open the bracket. So the total amount of loan given is this. So we can see it there. So you can arrange it in any way how you feel like, or you can just put here totals and then you find their totals here. So as we can see now, the amount paid, how are we going to find the amount that is being paid? So the amount paid, we are going to get the total of the amount paid, and then we subtract it from the loans that were given out, and then we get to see how the balance which is being demanded. So the balance of each of them is here, so we can as well just find the total and then we subtract. Okay, therefore let me just do this, no wastage of time. Okay, now this is the amount which is the loan balance which is remaining. Now remember, in the loan balance we have also our negative. The negative, when we click here, it is also inclusive. Are we at par? Now when we come here as well, this is also showing us the total amount being paid. So you always have to find out all the things. Then let me see. Now we are going to be finding the loan balance is this. So the loan balance, the one that is being that they are demanding all the participants in the group, is this amount. Are we at par? So what are we going to do next? Now here we can just change it as total, total for all. Let's just change it to total amount for all. Let's just take that. Okay, and let's just wrap the text, total amount for all. Alright, now what we are remaining with, I'm going to create a second video and then we see how we are going to create a representation. Thank you.